Welcome my fabulous diamond painting fanatics, I'm DiDi and thanks for joining me today for this unboxing. Actually the second unboxing I'm filming today. That means I know what's in this box. Yes! It is a gorgeous Venetian mask. I love it. It is from the MATRESHKA Lovedyy Store and it took 16 days to get here. And MATRESHKA, doesn't that sound Russian? So doesn't this make this package not China mail, but Russia mail? Anyway, it is a package with a diamond painting. It is in a nice sturdy box and let's get into this one. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, a plain white box. A plain white box. I can't remember whether or not I got a plain white box before. It is in good condition and it is quite sturdy. And honestly, who keeps their boxes? I don't. Ooh, so, oh my. So I got 2 squashes. I never had a red or a black, so that's nice. I got myself a basic toolkit. No multi-placers, cheap tweezers, so I'll place those to the side. And I got these little containers. And if you guys know me and have seen my channel before, you know I do resin art and I get a lot of these containers for that. So I've got a lot of those. I'm not really sure if I can use them for diamond painting because this is a 40 by 45. So no way that my diamonds are gonna fit in here. But it's nice. So thank you, MATRESHKA Lovedyy Store. All kinds of extra goodies. So the canvas is rolled up on the inside. Let's slowly pull it out. And let me show you how my mask is looking. Isn't it fabulous? Oh, I like it. I like it. And yes, if you saw my last video, which was the Yoko Tub unboxing, you might have heard me say that someone asked me to pick paintings with a bit more color. And that's really hard for me. It's really hard. But I think I did quite a good job, right? It has a lot of blues, I thought, maybe. I thought wrong. It's all muted again. It's all blues, but it's very dark. And please tell me that this whole thing isn't just one large set of colors. She is pretty though. She is pretty and it is a round. Let's look at my canvas. Oh, oh. And the cover paper is in one section. But no puckers on the back. No, nothing. So let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Flatten, go. Come on, you can do it. You can, no, yes, please, thank you. Almost, there we go, kinda. All right. And I do hate those long pieces of cover paper because I'm always ripping them. So keep your fingers crossed and pray with me that I don't rip my, don't rip. I know you're gonna be seeing my shoulder, I'm sorry. Don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but the glue is coming up. That's quite clearly already. I see some rivers by peeling it back. Come on, come on. I know you want to come on. Oh, it's really tight on here. Really, really, really tight. We're almost all the way down. Almost, almost, almost. There we go. Now I'm stuck. Yeah, that was a bit challenging. But the canvas looks good. You can clearly see the mask. You can see the bright pops of blue over here. We can see some gold going around. But oh, and that's nice. So the background, it looks all kind of a one color, but it is, in fact, let me show you this part here. You can actually see it a bit. There's some green, some more blue, some dark blue. So actually the background isn't one solid color, but it is, and I'm sorry for pulling up my nose, I have a horrible cold. It consists of multiple colors. So if these actually look alike, we would have great shading. And look at the clarity of these symbols. Wow, that's impressive. This really is impressive. With all the dark colors, I'm definitely not gonna have an issue finding which symbol goes where. It's just crystal clear. And if we look, I said I saw some rippling of the glue. Yeah, it's just some rippling up here. It's just minor ripples, but nothing major. So that's nice. Oh, and we didn't check the key. Of course, you already saw me check the sticky when I was trying to pull my hand off there. But the key is also extremely clear and nice and easy to read. I do not need a huge key. I'm okay with them being a bit smaller. And I'm gonna be so zen. Look at the yin yang over here. I never had a yin yang symbol. Oh well, for everything's a first. But she is pretty. Definitely is pretty. So let's place my cover paper down before I actually mess up the canvas just by having it. Let's get those air pockets out from under there, and I do need to roll up the bottom part as well. And it's a strange size, a 40 by 54. I think that if they did specifically pick the 54, then maybe it's just because they didn't want to distort the image. Could that be? Could that be? Come on, come on. Yes, there we go. Just getting the bottom part up so it's completely flat when I put it in my stash. Yes. Alrighty, so canvas is good, ready to go, and I put some bubbles underneath, of course. Warning, crinkling. And the first thing I see when I'm looking inside my bag, oh, there we go, that they taped the ends. just because it wasn't crinkling enough, they put tape all around it. So let's, how in the world am I going to, why would you do that? Just, okay, so yeah, I need to find a new bag. I ripped it, and that's it. There we go. Oh, so I ripped apart. There's still a little baggie in here, which is also open. Okay, plastic to the side. As I was saying, I really like that on these darker colors they placed blue writing, so that's good. What isn't good is this. Oh my goodness. $9.39. Let's take a peek. Wanna guess? Wanna guess? 54. 54 bags of $9.39. And 23 bags of $3.10. Oh joy. Oh joy. Well, at least writing on black is in red, so that's good. The total amount of colors, 37. So we've got our 3 base colors, $9.39, $8.23, and $3.10. And the rest are just splashes of color. Oh, and just another dark blue. $37.50. It was kind of to be expected looking at this, but whew, that's a lot of $9.39. Luckily it's around. So let me do a quick inventory and let me try to arrange the colors a bit more, which you can actually see because it looks extremely muted. And then you find this very bright yellow and extremely dark. Let me just do the inventory, then I can tell you more about the colors in here. See you in a sec. So I did my inventory. It is complete. So all 37 colors are here. All the bags are here. That's good. And then I was looking at the colors. So we've got our 310s, 939s. We've got some browns, reds, some grays to green. A lot of different colors of blue, and there's also all the way on the top, you can't see, but it's there, my 823. Then we've got some light gray greenish, light tan colors. It's a really nice bright yellow, some gray light yellows, beige colors, whitish, some more light browns. So yeah, looking at these drills, I find it hard that this can make this, but we all know that we need to trust the process. So definitely I will be making it. I just need a little time, or just like as much time. I need 3 days in one to get through my entire stash. For like 3 months, and then I should not work and only diamond paint. But it really looks interesting, so it might be a bit more up on my list, but most of the time you guys help me pick my next project. So yeah, concluding this lovely Venetian mask from the MATRESHKA LOVEDY Store on AliExpress. A 40 by 54 cost me, I need to little sneak peek, €13.53. It took 16 days to get here, and I'm really impressed by the quality of the canvas. It's good, there's nothing wrong with it, and all the extra goodies they gave. not one, but two grippies, a little box, and a basic toolkit. Well, that's okay. We all have many toolkits by now, and if you haven't, and you're just starting out, and you're like, why do we have so many toolkits? You haven't seen my stash. And trust me, once you are addicted, you'll have a stash of your own. You'll have many, many, many toolkits. And you come very close to just tossing some. But yeah, I just keep ordering. I can't help myself. Someone, please stop me. Oh, well, no, because then you miss on your Monday videos from me. And of course, you do not want to miss my Monday videos, because Monday videos are unboxings. During the week, I will upload different things, and just hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified. Well, if you want to see all my videos. If you just want to see my unboxings, every Monday there will be a new one. So you could also do that, but subscribe, it's easier, you know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. And in the description section you will find the information for this canvas and the link to this canvas. And you will also find the information for my Instagram and Facebook. And you're free to follow, like, befriend me, or just contact me through these media. And a comment, of course, down below. I will look at it and will answer it. So I hope you liked it. I surely did enjoy unboxing this canvas, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Happy drilling!